right there's a set of Schumacher elevators, but the lobby is locked and you cannot ride them. But luckily, there's another set right here that we can ride. So I don't know why they have a set that's locked off and a set that's open. Maybe that's for like a private parking section, the locked off one, and these are the public cars. Who knows? Schumacher. Please use the PlayStation. Can't do that. I'm an Xbox guy. Guess I won't park here. Sorry, excuse the shitty joke. All right, up to 5. Back down. Oh, I see. Look, that other side of the garage is locked off. So those are like elevators for a more secure section of the garage, I guess. And just for the hell of it, we'll ride up one more time and end it on the 5th floor. These have a nice view. You can see 801 Grand over there on the left. Quickly before I end it, there's your just basic Schumacher panel, typical Schumacher with Adams. Wow, that door is rusted. Anyway, yeah, just you can see what I mean here. That is a totally separate, secure area of the garage. So we cannot ride those elevators. Interesting. Anyway, that's it.